Welcome back, folks. This tutorial is the continuum of tutorial 1, which is on modeling of the car using Solidworks. I hope you will learn more about surface commands. Okay, then choose this edge and go to rolled surface and choose this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Then choose, yes, I think they are perfect. Then choose increase a little bit and choose OK. Choose right plane normal. Change to wireframe. Then we have to trim some areas. So go to spline and trace this part. There, there, and there. Select. Try to adjust it. Yes. Drag it up. Okay. Then after, choose line, and from this point around this point, then select it. After that, choose this line and this line, right click, tangent, make them tangent. I think they are better now. Back to solid edges, then exit the sketch. Then we have to trim some part, then trim surface. Choose the line. I can't find the line, so go back to this tree and choose this sketch, then trim this surface. Click OK. Yes, we get nice curve that resembles the car shape. Then back to wireframe. We have to trace the wheel of the car around the area of that. Then choose a spline and choose a spline from there to there. Then try to adjust it with this circular shape of the wheel. Drag it down and try to adjust it. Drag it to the left a little bit. Okay. And drag it down. Please try to do as I do. Exit the sketch. Back to wireframe, solid edge. Then choose this line and go to curves and split curve. choose this line, this surface and this surface, then click OK. It will project that line on this surface, and we choose both of the surface and offset those surfaces around 4 millimeter in opposite direction. Choose OK, then back there and choose right plane, sketch normal. After that, back to wireframe, then we try a couple of splines that are similar from the previous, then try to adjust it. Yes, I think it is better now. Then choose another spline from there to there, around there, then select to exit the spline, then try to adjust them both in concentric manner. Yes, I think it is adjusted. Then exit the sketch, back to solid edges, then curves, split curves, those lines are selected already. Then choose this surface, then split it. After that we have to delete some faces, this face, at the back, this face, and also this face. Yes, delete them, click OK. Or we left some parts that need to be deleted, then again we have to delete some faces. Go to delete face, then select this face, and this face, then click OK. Yes, we get what we wanted. Then we have to fill this face, then choose lofted face, then this and this edge, then click OK. Again, lofted surface, choose this edge and this edge as a guide curve, this edge, then click OK. We left one little part, then again lofted surface, choose this edge and this edge, and we have to delete that surface, don't need it. Then as a guide, this line. After that click OK. I think we get a nice view. Yes, choose right plane, sketch. We have to choose a line as a guide. We later we delete this line Then choose spline from there to there. Try to mimic the edges of the car up to there. Then select, try to adjust it. Okay, slide that to there. And try to adjust it. Then exit the sketch. Choose top plane sketch and choose spline that goes from this point, this point, this point, this, and this point. Then right click, select. I think it is better. Then exit the sketch. We have to choose both lines and go to curves, project curves. It will project those curves into 3D curve. That is the intersection of the two surfaces. Then as a guide curve, choose 3D, sketch and draw a spline. Okay. Convert entities. Exit the sketch. Then go to 3D sketch. Choose a spline and draw a couple of splines. Choose a spline and draw it from this point to this point and try to adjust it with reference of front plane. Drag it up a little bit. I think they are better. Then exit the sketch. Then choose a lofted surface. Then choose line, this line. Drag it that point to at this point to there. Then we get a curve as a guide curve. We choose both of these lines. Then we get nice curve.